Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous stained glass cookies. Perfect for the holiday season. These cookies are not just delightful to look at, but they're also super tasty. So let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients. For the cookie dough, you'll need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Cream these together until they're light and fluffy. Then add 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. In another bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until a soft dough forms. Next, divide the dough into 2 portions, flatten into discs, wrap them in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least an hour. It's crucial to chill the dough to prevent it from spreading while baking. Alright, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. On a lightly floured surface, roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use a large cookie cutter to cut out your desired shapes like stars, trees, or circles. Then, use a smaller cutter to create a window in the center of each cookie. Now for the fun part. Crush some hard candies like Jolly Ranchers into small pieces. Place the cookies on the baking sheets and fill the center cutouts with the crushed candies. Be careful not to overfill them. Bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden and the candy has melted. Let the cookies cool completely on the baking sheet before transferring them to a wire rack. The candy centers will harden as they cool, giving you that stunning stained glass effect. If you want to turn these into ornaments, use a skewer to create a small hole near the top before baking. And there you have it, beautiful and delicious stained glass cookies, perfect for holiday parties or as edible decorations. Don't forget to share your creations and subscribe for more holiday baking inspiration. Happy holidays and happy baking!